Strange old house. Looks like it's through the window job. Through the window, here we go. Looks like we're in anyway, folks. Nice old bird cage. Just in the window. Cool. Anyway, let's have a little nosy in this one then. See what we can see. Nice little fireplace. Been set up. All the picture people. Cool. Strange little house. Strange little room. A little cottage kind of place. Old cookery. Won't be having my tea in here though. I think I'll skip that one, thank you. Old doorway. I'll look up these stairs if you can get up them. Whoa, looks a bit creepy up here. A bit decayed to say the least. Look at this in here. Wow. What a crazy little house. Old bathtub. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Royal venting. Cool bathtub though that is, folks. Nice bit of crazy decor again. Wouldn't believe it, would you really? Crazy little house. Old pram here. Old bits and bobs left behind. Crazy really. Let's go for the window shot again. So we can see, as you can see people, that is one hell of a view. Nothing but hills and sky. Very nice. Very windy. Nice day other than that. So let's keep on looking. Still can't get over that pram. Didn't see them no more. Very nice. Old Royale. Old radio as well there. Jester. That is cool. Very nice. All the old dials on the top still. But it's not an FM or AM. No idea what it could be. Shame all the ceilings all caving in though. Real shame. Old gas lamp on the floor. Most steepest stairs in the world. Still can't get over that bathtub. I can't believe that. Don't see them no more, folks. Look how thin it is as well. Very thin. Old gold taps. Even got a tiny little sink. Royal venting. Very weird old window. Check out them curtains. Whoa. Old even got the old scales here. Weighing scales. See if they still work. It looks like they might still work. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you go folks. My weight. Almost 10 stone. Old scale just left sitting there. Never right. Right, and back down these crazy stairs. This looks a bit steep to say the least. So steep these stairs are. Bit scary. Proper scary. Whew, made it back down anyway, folks. Them stairs are nuts. I do not recommend. Anyway, back downstairs. Crazy little house. That's a blue room. Katie's just found herself something. Let's have a look then, Kate. Boom boom, shake the room. Check out Katie with a gun. Boom, boom. That's what you call a piece. Shotgun. Never right. You wouldn't think we'd find that in an old place, would you, folks? An old rifle. An old rifle, that's what it looks like. Not a shotgun. So, let's have a look. Put it in somewhere, good positioning. Look at that baby. Now that is a shot. Oh wow. That's what we like to see, isn't it, folks? Places with things still in there. Very nice. Good old shotgun. Or rifle, one or the other. Cool. Very, very cool. Like I say, it's only a short one. Not much to see in here. Crazy little place though, folks. Old candle and someone's fag. Maybe a little ghost hunter people who come in here. Having a little explore. Old toilet here. Crazy. Just rooms everywhere. Another little outdoor area. No ideas what it has. Goes upstairs and up there, so very strange. Proper strange place. Right, let's keep looking anyway. Up these stairs. What's left of them anyway? Right people, I'm in the loft. Crazy little place. Just checking out these other rooms. You have to have a look, don't you folks? You never know, you could have come up here. It could have been something good. But I don't think I'm going to step no more because that big wet patch there goes right the way down to nothing underneath. So I think I'll sack that off. Let's try and get down now. Down these weird stairs. Another bedroom. Very strange. Don't ask why there's a toilet in this room, but there is. Hidden in the corner there. Looks like it's plumbed in as well. Toilet in the bedroom. Very strange. That didn't got a door on it or nothing. Just a little cubicle. Strange old house. Quite a room though. Still going over this bedroom. That decor in there is crazy. Then you got a toilet in the corner as well. What's that about? Why don't you just go with a toilet? I don't know. Nice old light fitting there. That's very weird to go up the loft just. Dodgy climb as well that was up there. So if anyone does come in here, don't be careful on these stairs because it's super sketchy. And then this bedroom here, not much to see, but just check out the thingy. Decay in here. Nice old bird cage again. Very nice. When here, you've got all this old newspapers on all the back of the wallpaper. Find a date. Oh yeah. Can you see that? Let's see, hang on, so you can scratch it off. 1962, if you can make that out. Teachers World, December 1962. Yeah, so these are all old newspaper print, like sheets of newspaper from back in the day. They must have been using it as like backing paper maybe. All adverts and stuff on here. Crazy really. Another date there. Upside down 1962. Just about make it out. Cool little house though. Another one commode. Toilet seat. Nice old bottle here in the window. Look at that for a view as well. That view's amazing. That's what you call a view, folks. Amazing. Whole Holy Bible in the window. And a little ship. All these newspaper cuttings still all over the floor. Everywhere you look. Shame. Another property just left. Rotting in time. Look at that old plug socket on the wall. What a place. Yeah, so it says Rifle Farmhouse, what's known as on the grapevine, Shotgun Farm. Even though it's not a shotgun. It's just an old rifle, folks. So we've been up the loft, been in the toilet bedroom, been in that bedroom there, having a look back down these stairs. Look at old light shade. Crazy. Yeah, so let's go back down here then. It's like two houses, isn't it, basically, folks? Two little like cottages. Don't need my torch now. Yes, we are back in here again. Crazy little place. Back in this blue room. Strange old houses, aren't they, these folks? Very creepy. I wouldn't live in here on my own, put it that way. No chance. Right then, so I think that's about it for this one. This we came, saw that gun, gold rifle. Looks like Kate's put it somewhere now. All these old things left behind, like old jug there. Nuts, absolutely crazy. Yeah, so back out this window. Very windy now outside. Yeah, so we're back out anyway. Back out into the wind. Into the sun as well. Crazy little place though, people. This little farmhouse, or two farmhouses. This is the first one here, that one there, and this second one we went in as well up here. That's the second one there, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy little places, to say the least. Little look in this woodshed. Bit dark. Soon sort that out. Mr. winning like a wood collection for his fires. It's a nice collection there as well. All chopped. All coal there too. All ready for go. Like I say, cool little place. Definitely worth a look. That one's locked, big padlock on it. Can't get in that one. Yeah, folks. So that was this place. Shame about all this sun beaming on us. Got up there, 1823. Been here some time, this house has. Old cottage. Yeah. So that's it then, folks, for this one. cool little place. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, leave me a comment, much appreciated. Peace out.